This is a really special night. Of course, it's the home opener for both of our basketball teams, but just to make it even more special, we're here to unveil, to christen, to put into action this beautiful new floor. And of course, none of this would have been possible without the wonderful generosity of our donors, Robert Martin and Danica Robertson-Martin. And could you give them a big...
Good evening, Aini, bonsoir les amis. As architects, we understand and appreciate that there is an important connection between the physical environment and human outcomes. Our buildings have the potential to limit us or to nurture us and improve our lives. We appreciate the important lessons gained in sport, the discipline, tenacity, and accomplishment bound with athletic pursuits transfer into everyday life and achievement.
We are very excited that the physical improvement of this floor may lay the foundation for better sports and healthier athletes. The message we want to give to the students at Laurentian University is that the community cares. We care about you, we support and encourage your goals, and we want to set you up for excellence. To quote the architect Stephen Hall, a floor is not just a surface to walk on, but a stage for life to unfold.
Again, thank you to Robert and Danica. Your support and your dedication is second to none.